why your first $100,000 is so hard. If you are asking wealthy people which amount was the hardest to earn at first, most of them will answer the first $100,000. The reason is simple. When you're just starting out, you have no momentum, no existing assets or investments, and likely a limited income. This means that building up your savings can be slow, as most people only have one source of income from either a job or personal source. You miss the biggest advantage of using compounding or leverage when first starting out. The challenge of earning your first money. For most people, the primary source to enhance their capital base and achieve the first $100,000 is their job income. So most employees have to convert their earned income into savings or investment account. Obtaining the first six-figure net worth often represents the value of time, effort, and energy sold to the employer. And this path is not straightforward and is the hardest. Also, if you are inexperienced and young, you may not be aware of the optimal investment strategies to accelerate growth. Additionally, starting a family is very expensive. Expenses associated with having children, such as childcare, education, and medical costs, can add up quickly. Parents may forego job opportunities or take time off from work to care for their family, which can hinder their ability to earn income and save money. Number 5, a lack of patience. When you start earning more money, one of the things that come in your way is the fact that you want to spend. You want to enjoy the money you earned, and that's the trap that a lot of young people fall in. Yes, it's okay to spend as long as you consider investing and saving some of your money, if not more than half. The more you focus on your future, the better it will be. Number 4, sticking to the plan. It can become a pain to try and create a plan, but the huge challenge here comes from sticking to the plan. You need high commitment in a soiled plan, which involves living below your means and not making huge purchases yet. But in order to get there, you have to be patient and stay focused on your goals. Consistent, smart money management is key, and even small steps in the right direction can add up over time. Start by creating a budget, reducing unnecessary expenses, and putting aside a portion of your income each month into savings and investments. The initial $100,000 results from a blend of frugality and long-term commitment, both of which demand significant effort. Number 3, outstanding debt. Having outstanding debt can make it difficult to save money and reach the milestone of your first $100,000. When you have debt, a portion of your income goes towards making monthly payments, which means you have less money to put towards savings and investments. Moreover, the interest charged on the debt can significantly increase the total amount you owe, making it even more challenging to pay off. This can create a cycle where you are only making minimum payments on your debt, and the balance continues to grow. To overcome this obstacle, it's essential to create a plan to pay off your debt as quickly as possible. Number 2, living expenses. This is especially true if you're in the early stages of your career and earning a lower salary. When you have limited income, it can be challenging to cover all of your basic living expenses, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation, while also saving for the future. This can create a situation where you're living paycheck to paycheck with little room for savings or investment. Additionally, consider finding ways to increase your income, such as taking on a part-time job or freelancing on the side. This extra income can be put towards savings and investments, helping you reach your financial goals faster. Number 1, lack of knowledge. Most people have never received formal education on personal finance, investing, or money management, leaving them unsure of where to start. The good news is that there are plenty of resources available to help you build your knowledge and skills in these areas. This channel will broaden your knowledge, though. If you want to take it a step further, then you can read books, take courses, joining a group to learn more about personal finance and investing. It's important to start by developing a solid understanding of basic financial concepts, such as budgeting, saving, and debt management. This will lay the foundation for more advanced topics, such as investing, retirement planning, and wealth building. What should I do after my first 100? Once you have accumulated $100,000 in capital, 2 crucial goals are to safeguard it from significant losses and to achieve consistent growth. It is imperative not to undertake risky investments that could lead to substantial losses. Refrain from speculating on assets with questionable fundamental value, such as penny stocks and altcoins, as they are unlikely to have contributed to your six-figure net worth and could potentially result in significant financial setbacks. Consider investing in dividend-paying stocks, stock index ETFs, trend trading strategies, and companies with strong fundamentals and good valuations. By adopting a well-researched and disciplined investment approach, you can increase your chances of generating profitable returns on your capital. Overall, debt, living expenses, and lack of knowledge are just a few of the obstacles that can get in the way of saving and investing. But with a solid budget, an eye towards increasing income, and a commitment to ongoing education, it's possible to overcome these challenges and build wealth over time.